Hey, cabin timers. If you want a girls' trip that's equal parts relaxing and fun, Eagle River, Wisconsin is perfect because it's charming without trying too hard. Start with a slow morning rule. Nobody is allowed to rush. Coffee first, always. Then make downtown your playground. Eagle River's shopping is legit for a small town. You'll find businesses like Everything I Love, Boutique for cute finds, Splash Soap Company because self-care is basically the point. Shepherd's Wool for cozy Northwoods vibes. Lynn's Antiques for the look at this weird treasure laughs. And yes, you're probably leaving with a candle. For your we deserve this night, do Chin Chin Wine Bar. It's the kind of place that turns a normal dinner into a full-blown girls' night moment. Then rotate in a brewery day, tribute Brewing for hometown flavor, or Riverstone for that patio plus tiki energy when the weather's right. And don't skip a nature moment. Bike or walk a stretch of the Three Eagle Trail. It's scenic, easy, and gives you that we did something healthy feeling right before dessert. Finish every day back at the cabin, fire pit, games, and the kind of conversations that start with laughing and end with, I needed this. That's Eagle River. Cute town days, cozy cabin nights, and zero stress. See you up north.